You feel it coming, that massive sneeze building up. Your boss is talking, you hold it in. Big mistake. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. You just force that pressure somewhere else. Second one, your blood vessels in your eyes just burst. You look absolutely terrifying right now. Third one, congratulations. You just cracked a rib. A sneeze held in can generate enough pressure to fracture bone. Fourth one, your eardrums just ruptured. You can hear absolutely nothing except regret. Final one, a man in 2018 held in a sneeze so hard he tore his throat open and had to be hospitalized for a week. Just let it out next time. Your body will thank you. Comment sneeze if you have ever done this, and subscribe before your body destroys itself trying to hold one in.